Hi everybody, my name is Dr. Kay Lawrence. I'm your teacher for this next 5 weeks, and I am happy to be here for you and help you in whatever I can. If you have any questions, please contact me via email. I also would like to remind you that tonight is the night where we have to have all these lessons and assignments in. You do have a week afterwards to get them in, but you would still get deducted points for getting them in late. I also want you to respond to the discussion board because there's 2 people that have posted, and for you to get full credit for that, you do need to respond to that by tonight. There is no makeup for the discussion board. I also would like to remind you about the APA format. There is, in the resource section of the school and through Populi, you will find the template. The only difference is that I need you to put on my full name underneath the date, as well as putting in your assignment, week 1 or week 2 or A or B, so that I am able to distinguish which assignment you're doing. The other side of the coin would be to correct any blue underlines or red underlines if they need correction. And generally, the program will put an underline if it needs punctuation correction or syntax correction or some type of a spelling error, which you will be responsible to correct those. I will not correct them, but you will be graded for not having those done. Stick to the APA format. That means to be sure to put your titles in, your introduction, your discussion, and then your conclusion on all of your papers. Be sure you have your in-text references as well as your page references on the last page, and make sure that you have given credit to the appropriate sources. So, we're in for a good week, and I just want to leave with you this verse. I can do all things in Christ who strengthens me, Philippians 4:13. Know that He's with you, and if you need any help, please contact me at k.lawrence@sdcc.edu, and that would be capital letters. So, God bless you guys. We'll talk to you later.